Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. Finally found some goodies and I wanted to come on and share with you what I found. I'm going to jump right on in because I hauled quite a bit of stuff. Alright, so the first fun find that I found was this marquee bat, and it was only $3.99. And I love these kinds of Heidi Swap marquees. I've bought them before and I put them in my kitchen to decorate for Halloween. So I thought that was a great price. So I picked that one up, and I like that it has the black glitter. So really fun. I did find an ephemera pack, and this goes to that My Mind's Eye collection that I've already picked up. So now I have some embellishments to go with that collection. So yay. I picked up this really cute stamp set. And I especially love this little scene with all the little ghosts standing next to each other. I just really liked that one. But all in all, I thought it was a cute stamp set. And look at the little Frankenstein right there. So I picked that one up as well. I was able to find some die cut felt. And these are spider webs. I'll take one out so you can see. They look like this. So they're a nice size, and it's thick, sturdy felt, so I figured this would be a really good embellishment to have already cut up. And then it was only $1.49, so it was a great price. All right, moving along, I did find these pencils, and they were black and white, and I figured this would be fun for Halloween Happy Mail, so I picked these up. I think these are really cute. I did find some enamel dots to go with the Good Vibes collection. I did pick up the paper and some of the other bits and pieces of the collection, so that will go along with that. I found this Chamel Glitter Girl, and this is the sticker set. Now I'm really hoping to find the paper. I really want this paper line and the embellishments and everything that goes with it. I went to 3 Tuesday mornings and I did not see it today. I was kind of disappointed, but I am having hope. I have hope that maybe I will find it. I just really love this collection, and I actually saw somebody haul the paper collection from Tuesday morning. I want to say 2 or 3 months ago, and I've never seen it in my Tuesday morning, so I am hoping that I can find it. All right, so moving along, I did find this Blast Off paper pad by My Mind's Eye. It is double-sided, and it even has a little bit of foiling in it. And I just thought this was a great pad, super cute, and it was $2.99, so I picked that up. And I also was able to find some of the embellishments to go along with that. I found these mini staples, and this is American Crafts, and this was only $1.49 for my mini stapler. I was able to find the Bliss journaling cards. I've picked up some of the other paper and other bits, and I'll show you in just a second. So I was able to find that. So those are 24 double-sided journal cards, and this is what it looks like on the back. Really pretty paper collection. I did find the mixed bag of ephemera accents, and it was only $1.49. So I'm happy to have like the entire collection, so yay. And that was a great price there. And then I did find the paper pad, and I'm really happy. It's a beautiful paper pad, and I am a big fan of My Mind's Eye paper, and it has some foil accents in it, and it's just really pretty. So I am really happy about this find here. Moving along, I found this paper pad, which I absolutely fell in love with. It's called Penelope. And I picked up 2 of these because I loved it so much. I didn't see any of the ephemera or any of the bits and pieces that go along with this collection, but I just love the colors, the soft pink, and those little girls are so super cute. And it's just so, look at that. It's just adorable. So I picked up this one, and I am hoping to find some more of this collection. Look at the little banners. Isn't that pretty? And it's double-sided, and it's just gorgeous. So I'm really happy that I found Penelope. All right, moving along. Oh, I did find this set of googly eyes, and I did see my friend Tina Kappa here on YouTube haul these, and I especially liked that it had these itty bitty eyes in this package. I do have one that I hauled from AliExpress, but it doesn't, I don't think it has the ones that are this small, so that's why I picked it up. And it does have some different colored ones, and they're a little bit bigger, and then it comes with some larger ones at the end. So I thought that was a good deal, so I picked those up. And then moving along, I found the Hey Mister, and this is just a really cute collection, and it's, you know, for more male, masculine themed projects. And again, I love My Mind's Eye, so I was really happy to find this collection. Look at that, isn't that cute? I love that one. I love that page right there. And I love that My Mind's Eye is double-sided. You got these cute little dogs. It's extra cute, so I'm loving that pad. And then I was also able to find the 12 by 12, I guess this is like a paper kit. It comes with stickers, and oh, here it is, 8 sheets of paper, double-sided, and then you get the sticker sheet. So that is a great price there for $2.99. I mean, you can't beat that. So I got the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 in that. And then to go along with the blast off paper, I did find the 12 by 12 pack of this as well. Really, really cute, and I just love it. It has like silver foil accents on it, and it does come with stickers. And then I was also able to find the chipboard stickers that go along with that collection, which is super, super cute. So I'm really happy with the finds from Tuesday morning today. That's all I have for you today. Oh, actually, one more thing. I did find this clock. Yay! My friend Rosa, who's Rosa's Creative Way, she made a super cute project with this clock, and I was on the hunt for this clock. So I found it today, so I'm really happy about that. That is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.